Made a small wheel attachment today. Just used a solid toolbar blank. Has an optional wheel thing on there. I can put that on or off pretty easy. Just takes those two bolts out, then it comes off. Or if you want it on there, you can put it on. This takes the Oregon Blade Maker size wheels. That's what's in there now, is the Oregon Blade Maker. We'll run it for a minute. The belt is kind of wiggly, but and this is my tracking mechanism, so it's pretty messy at the moment. I'm not doing much with this sander. It's a little bit of a snug fit. Not too much. I'm going to pop the other sizes in. I went ahead and bought the whole set of them that he sells. Haven't unwrapped them all yet, just that one to know what size to make. Just need to know what size to make these. I didn't have any half-inch plate, so I used a 3/8 plate and then put a 1/4-inch spacer behind it. Or I mean, an 1/8 of an inch spacer behind it, so I need to get a hold of some half-inch plate to make these things. Let me take that off and show it.